Alright, so all those who were wondering that just bought your brand new SDK, you're thinking, fuck, I need to fill up, but I don't know where the latch is. So first thing you do is you look here, there's nothing here, there's nothing here, nothing here, and you think there's like a special button somewhere, and you can't find it. I had a lot of forums tell me you just need to open your door, it's in between the side trims, and then you'll find it. But there's nothing here until I realised, right, that if you have a look behind, there's a nice little button somewhere. Where am I looking? I can't see. Nice little button just behind the door. So you look just behind your seat, the seat rest, a little button here somewhere, and you just pull it. And if you have a look,